Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Thanks for joining me back here at Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Zander from the show Super Wish. So before we get started, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know something you would like to learn how to draw next. And feel free to leave a like. And if you're new here, it would be great if you would subscribe and stick around for all of our Daily Doodle videos. So I'm going to get started drawing Zander with the eyes. We're going to do a shape like this, kind of like a sideways lemon. And inside that, we're going to do a circle. And a little circle and a littler circle. And then a bigger one in behind those two. And that one's going to be colored in all black. Above that, we can do a thick eyebrow. And then next to the eye, we can do a little nose. And now we can do another eye. And it's going to be very, very similar to what we just did. We're going to have our same kind of lemon shape with a circle. And our small circles and the big black one. And our little thick eyebrow. And we can do kind of a jelly bean shaped mouth with some little U shapes for teeth and an upside down U shape for another tooth and a little line here for a tongue. Next, let's do a bit of hair. So we can just do a few pieces coming along. And now I'm going to do the face shape. So come on down here by the eye, and then we can start to turn. And come on now under the mouth, and bring this line up this way. Now before I continue the face line right there, let's bring down a strap. And then we can put the ear here. Over here we can do another strap. And we'll have another little ear poking out. Right here we can do a line on top of the hair. And now we can do a great big curve. And we're going to do another strap. And a little line here. And now let's do a circle. And a little shape like that. And another one. A little line here. And one there. Now let's bring down a line right here and come over this way. And we can do another line right there and get started on an arm. So now we're going to bring these two lines down. And we're going to put a thick strap here. And put a circle there, a little curve here, and one there. And we can do a hand. We can do like a little fist. And we're going to do a line here and here. Next, let's do legs. So we bring down a line, and now we're coming across this way, and come on up. I'm gonna go across that way, bring another line down, and come on up. I'm gonna do a little line there and there, and now the bottoms of the boots here, they've got a bit of fluff, so we can do some fluffy boots, and then the rest of the boot. And we can do a couple little X's there for like laces. And now we need another arm. Bring this line over, and we can do another little fist. So 1, 2, 3 fingers, and bring that back, and then we can do a line here and one there. And now let's do the cape in the back. Just kind of a little squiggly wiggly line. It's going to be going past here too, and then I'm going to bring this line up and put a few lines here, show a bit of movement in the cape, and I'm going to put a line here. Alright, so I'm going to get started. Oh, actually no, not yet. I'm going to do kind of like a circle right there on the side and on this side, and bring a line here, a few little like stitches. Alright, now I'm going to get started on the coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our picture. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for our next Daily Doodle. Goodbye.